You may be tempted to bring your notes or other documents you want to use for reference or to refresh your memory during your testimony. Keep in mind that any document that you review during the process of your testimony is subject to inspection by the attorney that is questioning you.
What is the name of the officer who made the report?
I'm not sure. Can I check my notes?
Sure, go right ahead.
Yeah, it's John. The officer's name is John Smith.
Did that note help refresh your memory?
Yes, it did. Thank you.
Since you used that note to refresh your memory, I would ask that you turn that note over to us for our review.
That has my personal notes. Aren't those confidential?
As you can see, the witness's innocent reference to his personal notes resulted in the entire note being turned over to the opposing counsel. Unlike your personal notes, there are certain documents that will be formally admitted into evidence. Once this occurs, it is appropriate to refer to those documents when testifying.
Please refer to the document marked Exhibit A. This is your bank statement of your joint checking account.
In this scene, the document has been admitted into evidence, and it is therefore acceptable to review the document while testifying. In some instances, although a lawyer is seeking to have a document placed into evidence, upon proper legal objection, the court may exclude the document. In that case, you will not be allowed to refer to the document. It is important to understand what is going on when a lawyer is attempting to get a document into evidence. Indeed, the lawyer may be using you in his or her attempt to admit the document. The lawyer will approach you with the document and hand it to you and then ask you if you recognize the document. Assuming you do recognize the document, you may be asked additional questions to assist the lawyer in verifying the authenticity and accuracy of the document. Remember, be honest in your responses. If opposing counsel is attempting to get a document in through you and you are unsure what the document is, then say so. If opposing counsel is attempting to get a document in through you and you cannot be certain it is authentic, then say so.
Your Honor, may I approach the witness?
You may.
Do you recognize this document that is marked Petitioner's Exhibit A?
Yes, it's a letter from me to my wife.
You wrote this letter?
Yes, I did. I signed it too. That's my signature right there.
Move to admit Petitioner's Exhibit A.
No objection, Your Honor.
Petitioner's Exhibit A is admitted.
Please read the first line of the Petitioner's Exhibit A.
Dear Jenny, I feel
The witness was clearly able to identify the document as something that he wrote and signed. The document was then admitted into evidence, and the witness was able to refer to it in giving his testimony. If you're not able to identify the document, then make that clear to the court.
Do you recognize what's been marked as Respondent's Exhibit B?
No, I'm not sure. I don't think I've ever seen this before. I know I didn't prepare it.
Well, are the dollar amounts in the document correct?
I don't know. I'd have to verify them.